Scientist, educator and entrepreneur Dr Erol Harvey has made outstanding contributions to Australia through the world-leading microfluidic engineering company MiniFAB, his distinguished academic career and his unwavering support for entrepreneurship. His commitment and enthusiasm for innovation has reached many across the industry, not only in Australia, but worldwide.
My father was a mechanical engineer and very hands-on sort of person. So while I loved the research aspect, I wanted to make stuff. I wanted to get it into products in people's hands. So when we started MiniFAB, our business model was what's called a service business model. So that means that we help others manufacture and develop their products. I think MiniFAB's an example to people who are interested in Australia in commercialising technology. And one of the lessons from MiniFAB is that to be internationally competitive, you have to be excellent, and quality is everything. So in Australia we have fabulous science and incredible infrastructure, and a lot of people who are going through the process of training in that are thinking to become professors and academics. But I think there is a different path you can take, the path of forming a business, of making products, of selling things, services. So I'm passionate about entrepreneurship, and I think that we need to encourage the best brains in Australia to think about building your own business as an option. A lot of people think that entrepreneurs are risk takers, and by risk they mean gamblers. And actually, good entrepreneurs are not gamblers. It's one of the reasons why scientists and engineers are very good at entrepreneurship. So I'm working with back to my roots, just trying to encourage young entrepreneurs, and young doesn't mean youthful, but to encourage them to have a go. The other thing I'm working on is, at the moment, is with the Bionics Institute. Again, some incredible research going on in devices to help Parkinson's, irritable bowel syndrome, lots of implantable technologies, and helping them turn those into products. Two important pieces of advice, I think, for people who want to be entrepreneurs is, one, have a clear goal of what you're trying to do, and the second thing is go overseas as quickly as you can. In terms of market, 85% of MiniFAB's business is overseas, North America and Europe. And it's a global market, so that's where we play. There's nothing like testing your business model on the white heat of international competition. And if you can win overseas, then you're surely going to win here. You'll end up with a much more robust business plan. The people who have won Clunies Ross Awards in the past are just amazing, and I feel quite humbled to be part of that team, and also a little lucky. Of course, it's not about me. I couldn't have done this without a lot of other people that have helped. And winning this Clunies Ross Award for entrepreneurship is an enormous privilege, and I think a nice pat on the back for everybody that's been part of that journey.